Everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to sign up to Spotify. So first of all, just open up the Spotify app. You click on it, then you will see two options: sign up for free or login. Login is if you have or account with them already signed up before, and if you haven't, just press sign up for free. Then they'll ask you to continue with your email or continue with your phone number or continue with your Google. I am just going to go to Google. I'm going to pick my account and I'm going to add my date of birth. I'm going to add my gender. If you want, you can choose male, female, or you prefer not to say, just click on that. But I'm just going to add my gender. Now I'm going to add my name. Normally this name appears on Spotify account because you have clicked, you signed up with your Google account. But if you hadn't, you have to write the name you want. So yeah, I'm just going to write the name I want because this is not my name. I'm just going to write so you have to agree. You have to choose some things if you want. You can choose this too, or you can choose not to. The first one says I'll prefer not to receive marketing messages from Spotify. You can click on that to not receive them, and you can say I share my. You can agree to share your registration data with Spotify content providers for marketing purpose. Anyone you want, you can choose not to click on that and just press create account. So now you have to choose three or more artists that you like. So I'm just gonna pick three random people, anybody I like. Okay, so I like Drake. Just going to pick two random people. Sorry that it's taking so long. So sorry. Okay. So yeah, you can choose more than three if you want, but I'm just gonna choose three. Actually four. I'm gonna choose four because I saw somebody that I liked. Okay, now I'm gonna choose five. Okay, yes, I can see it just keeps opening and opening the more you choose. So I'm just gonna press done, not to waste our time. And they've already made a playlist for me. You can choose to start listening now, or you can choose not now. I choose not now. And that is how to sign up to Spotify. That's it. Thanks for watching.